Woo, man, I am telling you, it's been a week. I've been on vacation. As like you can see in the thumbnail, I'm printing out a life-size Batman. This thing is massive. It's 6'2". I found it on Bambu Handy of all things, and it's made by OneMoreMeow. I will put a link in the description for this print, but this thing is just, man, this thing is, I'm going on to 7 days where it comes to printing this thing. The only cool thing about this whole thing is it is hollow. But there are a lot of bad mistakes. So let me just break down about what I've been doing. So Jack and I decided to print this thing and his printer went kaput. So it started going through and I just started printing this off 7 days ago at 4:28, and here I am. I still got another 24 hours, which I'm gonna break it down to 12 because I can use both of them. So let me just break down everything for you. So I've been having some mistakes when I first printed this thing out. I had to figure it out. I thought I was like a little better than beginner. Yeah, I'm still a beginner. It went just to crap. I have everything here except for his shoulders and his hands and things like that. I'm still printing that out right now, but this thing is just huge. This is going to take me 15 rolls of filament right here. I did pick up the Hobby Lobby. 15 rolls of filament for $15 cost me $225. Thank God it's hollow once again, because that would have been a whole lot more. And then I just picked up some different things where it came to Bondo, where it comes to the glue, the ultra matte, the primer and filler. Jack says any of these mistakes that you see, we can fix with Bondo. And like right here, you can start to see where it's getting pretty bad. He's missing the tip of his finger. So this is probably the worst part of the prints that I've had so far. But the rundown here right now is that I do have 3 different printing profiles that he offers. So the first printing profile, none of this stuff is glued up, so I cannot bump this table. So right here, this is the Batman torso and head. This is a total of over 400 grams or 4 rows of filament, and it takes 11 plates to get right here. And it takes about 65.3 hours to print it. And then we have his torso with his legs. That's the lower body right here. The lower body right here with everything you see is about 6 rolls of filament. That's 6,000 grams of filament, 14 plates in 102 hours. I was getting scared because when I started doing this thing, his crotch blew out. I mean, let me just show you the crotch, man. I was just like terrified. I'm like, is this a mistake that I did or what? But here goes his crotch. It blew out. And I guess what? I checked everything. And he'll be all right. You won't be able to see that. We'll put a little Bondo. We'll fix all that, all right? But yeah, so his crotch is blowing out, and it just scared me about what did I get myself into. But I kept on moving forward, and I kept on moving forward, and this turned out beautifully. And now I'm at the Batman shoulders, arm, and accessories. You guys, this is close to 3,000 grams or 3 rows of filament, 11 plates, and this is where I'm having some of my mistakes. But we're gonna keep on moving forward, but this whole part right here comes to the shoulders and his accessories, about 67 hours and 11 plates. So when I started printing this, I added everything up. It was gonna take 235 hours to print everything up, and I'm like, okay, I'm on vacation. We can get this done. Well, I forgot about the supports, and with the supports is more filament and more time to print. So I've been just printing this out, and I'm up to close to 300 hours of printing this thing. I've been waking up in the middle of the night, changing out the plates, changing out the filaments, doing everything. This is about 12.5 days divided by 2. We are at 6.25 days. And guess what? I'm almost to 7 days straight up where it comes to printing this. And I still got about another 12 more hours between the 2 printers. But this truly is about what do you guys want to see? The cool thing about this whole thing is it's going to be about 30.8 pounds, and it is hollow. I've watched a lot of these videos, and these guys, they're creating this, putting it together. I mean, do you want to see me like glue it up? Do you want to see me spray it up with a filler? What do you want to see? You want me to show you how to Bondo this thing? Because I don't know what you guys want to see. That's why I need all the comments for all the help that I can get. But man, this is going to be a passion project. After we're done getting this all painted up, and like I said, we're going to start that up tomorrow, but we're going to give this to Jack's kids, and he has the space, I don't. I just thought it'd be a cool project to go through with you guys to get this thing all set up. But like, I guess, leave me some comments. Tell me what you want to see, because I have no clue what kind of content to put out there for you when it comes to this massive project, because I'm like, mind blown about all of this stuff. But everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.